Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to reverse a list in Python. This is a common task in programming and can come in handy when working with data. Let's get started. In this video, you will know the implementation through steps. Let's know all the steps. Step 1. Creating a list. First, let's create a list. For this example, we will use a simple list of numbers. We can create this list by using square brackets and separating the values with commas. Step 2. Using the different method provided in this video. In this video, I will provide 3 different methods to reverse the list. Method 1. Using the reverse method. Python provides an inbuilt method called reverse that allows us to reverse the elements of a list in place, meaning it modifies the original list. We can use this method by calling it on our list variable. And that's it. Our list has been reversed. We can now print it out to verify the order of the elements. Method 2. Using the slicing method. If you don't want to modify the original list, you can create a new reversed list using slicing. Slicing is a technique that allows us to extract a subset of elements from a list. We can use slicing to create a new list that contains the reversed elements of our original list. The ::-1 syntax tells Python to slice the list starting from the last element and going backwards by a step of 1. This will create a new list with the elements in reverse order. We can print out the new list to verify its contents. Method 3. Reverse a list in Python using the reversed function. The reversed function in Python outputs a reverse iterator. After that, you can use it to traverse the elements of a sequence in a reverse sequence. This function accepts a sequence object like a list, tuple, or string as its argument. Lastly, it returns an iterator that gives the elements of the sequence in reverse order, one by one. Below is the complete code to reverse the list. Conclusion. In this video, we learned built-in methods and functions provided by Python for reversing a list or iterating over its elements in reverse order. The above are the methods to allow you to reverse the list. The reverse method allows you to modify the original list in place by reversing its elements. If you will use the reversed function, then it will return a reverse iterator object. After that, you can use this function to iterate all the elements in reverse order. In this tutorial, you also learn how to use slicing to create a new reversed list. You can choose any method depending on your use case on the above described methods. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials.